Here's my new Whirlpool that I bought. My old one was ripping my clothes off. The quick fix was fixing the bellow, $30 on Amazon. It lasted me a good time. So I decided to buy another Whirlpool just because I was tired of changing the bellow every 6 months, because it was tearing my clothes. This one is brand new. Some plastics are still on there, but now an issue. That door wasn't closing. Turn it on. Of course, it calls for the lock because the door is not locked. Try to figure out the problem. So I opened up the bellow that has access to where the lock is at. And what I found is the lock is made of plastic. Cheap little plastic hooks that just snapped right away. The washer is, just like I said, just a couple months old. Whirlpool needs to step up their game. This is the model. So just be careful. If this is it, it's not a bad fix, but it's a hassle because now we can't wash our clothes. And obviously you're only gonna find out when you're ready to wash your clothes. And you're gonna be out trying to fix this. I don't know. I gotta see where I can get this part. I know if I try to go through Whirlpool, they're gonna tell me, oh, come back in a week. We'll get to your problem in 2-3 weeks. And meantime, you're not gonna have no clean clothes. So sometimes I think it's just faster to deal with it yourself. But next time I will not be buying a Whirlpool. I'm gonna see if I can still return this one. Maybe I'll just return it and get a different brand.